I just uploaded a video from here, and I forgot to mention that right there is where Parker caught his first fish. It was like about a year ago now. This video is on here too. The rain is stopping. I'm just gonna take a walk back here a ways, and I don't know what, but I keep smelling onions right here too, and I can't find them. I love wild onions. I just eat them right here, but I can't find them. Every time I walk by here, I know they're in here somewhere. They smell really strong. Right over here. And you can't mistake them when you see them. I just can't see them. See right here. I can smell them. Look how beautiful this is. I just couldn't. It's so pretty. Look at that. During the day, it's been so crowded over here, you can't even get in this place because of the virus stuff going around. Everybody, they're trying to get out of their houses a little bit. See, I don't smell onions over here. They're right here. They're not these little yellow ones. They'll get a little white flower on top, but it's too early in the year for a white flower. Right there. It's right here somewhere. It smells so good. I don't know if everybody likes the smell of onions, but I'm gonna find them. They look so much like grass, it's hard to tell them sometimes. See, look at how pretty that is. Looks kind of like a swamp, but it's not right here. We're down a little ways and it is. Everything's starting to come up. Pretty soon this place will be so overgrown, it's ridiculous. Got mayaples growing, horsetails growing. See, it's right here. It's right here somewhere. I know Parker was with me a couple weeks ago, and I found some and I got him to eat it, and I guess he's just not a fan of raw onions. Probably help if I had my glasses too. Well, I won't. Did you hear that? Something's back there. Now, just because I'm putting this video on here doesn't mean I'm inviting everybody and their brother to come out here. It's already crowded enough. See, it's a little swampy over there. There's some water. The pond runs, it's spring fed and runs into here. And then it runs into the river over here. River's coming up quite a bit. You can see the signs of where the river's been up over the banks recently. Sometimes you can't even get in the parking lot when the water comes up so high. I hate when they do this. See, sometimes I'll cross these things to get to the other side, but that side I'm pretty sure is private property over here. So I'm not gonna go over there. Ducks back there. So there's a lot of different plants in here. Saw some bloodroot back there. I thought it was. I pulled up the root to check it out. It wasn't. I don't forage for it. I just like to find the different stuff. And the stuff that can eat, I like to eat. There's a lot of... There's different plants. Probably shouldn't be. So here's the sand. See sandy soil. Looks like from a beaver. Believe it or not, there's quite a few beaver around here. See, it's all sand right here. Look at that. Isn't that something? Look at that tree snapped in here. Oh, see, there's a beaver sign up here. See, a beaver was chewing on that. Look at that. That's crazy. I know I read that there are certain times of year you could trap in here. Some beaver right there a long time ago, huh? Yeah, look at that beaver damage. A go beaver ate that, huh? See, and there's still some fresh bark chewed off of there. Look at that. Don't see no footprints, but so I like to take Parker, me and him go looking for tracking deer and stuff. Look at that. There's something in it. Look at that. See, sometimes I think if I pitch a tent right here, nobody will know it. I'll spend the night out here. You're not supposed to, but see all the footprints now. There's people all over out here. It's crazy. Not real sure the exact property boundaries. There's some pretty flowers. So I don't know if that's still public property. So you think there's been a few people walking in there? What the heck? Must be fish over here. Not much of it or anything else. Thought I heard the alarm on my car. Then I'm gonna walk back, check my car. You hear the highway, but So I wouldn't mind taking my canoe over here. This looks like it'd be fun to be in. I don't hear the car alarm no more, so let's go a little farther. You can hear them at the gun club shooting. Yeah, this is a swampy area. See that? More beaver damage up here. See that? Where it hit the bark off that tree. See that? Eating that. Oh, these beaver must live right in there somewhere. That tree's down by a beaver too. I think actually that's the overflow from the pond. Here's the pond is right over there. See the water? The pond is right over there on the other side of them things. It's got to be emptying into the river here somewhere. Go a little farther. See this? Wow. Yeah, right here's where it empties into the river. You can see it. I was pretty sure that there would be an actual stream going into it. Yeah, along here. You can see how this has been flowing in. Maybe I'll start heading back. Oh, there's another big tree eaten by a beaver. Look at that. Long time ago though. You can actually canoe this whole thing right here. So deer stand up there. See it? It's a farmer's property right next door over there, all the hill and stuff. It belongs to the farmer, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna head back. It's getting dark. All right. I'll put in more later. Bye.